Welcome back to the channel. Hello, Wender Woman. Ano ba yung...
Good morning, Batman.
Good morning, Batman. Okay, welcome back to the channel. So for our video today, and ang aking teammate, si Louie. So we will be playing 2v2. Two-man scramble against... Kaming dalawa ni Louie, ang magkakampi. Kakampi ko rin si Wender Woman. And we're playing against yan. Si Alvin and his friend Dexter. To make it more fair, ang gagawin namin ni Louie, may plus 4 si Alvin at saka si Dexter sa front, may plus 4 din sila sa back. Wing, pero mga scorecard para alam natin kung ano yung holes na meron silang plus 4. Okay, so the 4 hardest holes sa front 9, may plus sila. So they get a pop sa hole 2, 3, 4, and hole number 9. Then for the back 9, meron silang plus sa 11, sa 14, sa 17, and 18. Ayan.
May plus sila sa bawat hole na yun, bukod pa sa plus 4.
Hindi, yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Oh, plus 4, plus 4. Yun yung 4 na butas. Okay. So we are playing match play. So, sa tingin mo sino mananalo, Wena?
Siyempre tayo.
Ayan. Here's the team we're playing against. Alvin. Yeah, welcome back to the channel, brother. So 2v2, di ba? For lunch. And Dexter. Yeah, good luck sila magkakampi. Okay, pwede na. Ano strategy natin? Ikaw muna? So ako muna. Ako muna. Okay. And so it begins. First time ba natin magkampi? 2v2? Ay, hindi. Kinilaban na pala natin sila, ano, si Monks. Ay, hindi.
Andrew and
Tsaka si...
Bodge.
Oo. Tama. Okay. So, pero talo tayo nun, di ba?
Oo.
Okay. Bawi kami ngayon. Sa potting. Okay. Ngayon, babawi kami.
Ngayon, this is, tawag doon? Chicken dinner.
Winner, chicken dinner. At ano tayo? Scramble. Team, si Wena, Wender Woman, at saka si Tintin Bersola.
Nakikita ko yung vlog mo, sir.
Yeah, kasama ka na. Mag-subscribe ka na kasi. Nakita na ba niya yung nice shot? Nice shot. Sige, hingi tayo kay Tin ng ano, nice shot. Na-draw naman, ayan, perfect. Sakto, brother. Hindi lang yun yung play na gusto mong gawin, pero okay na yun. Sige, ako din. Ano, hybrid? Safe naman tayo.
Draw.
Alvin and Dexter. Second shot. They are taking Dexter's tee shot. Good shot. Nice shot.
Go!
Oh, clutch tong sila Dexter ah. Mukhang nagpapakagat lang tong mga to ah. Dapat yata i-order na namin yung lunch ah. Grabe sa pakagat, Dex ah. Dexter and Alvin's third shot. They are about 40 yards, 50 yards to the flag. Short. Lou and I 30 yards to the flag. Taking my second shot. Malakas lang, Louie. Pero babait naman yata yun. Landed back of the green. Lumabas.
Pasok! Uy!
Okay, Dexter and Alvin putting for birdie. Tumatalon. Dito lang tayo magkakatalo, kaka-irate lang ng green eh. Okay, they have that for par. Dapat. Lakas lang.
Bite.
Okay. To win the hole kami dito. For bird. We are currently one up tayo, brother. One up tayo. Pero they get a pop dito sa they get a pop dito sa hole number 2. Ayan, ang dami namin kalaban. 6 sila. 6 silang kalaban namin. Okay, they have the spot for par.
Yes.
Good putt.
Nice putt.
Ayan. So ang Alvin and Dexter's team. Oh, Ate Sai. Ay, Sai. Hi ka naman sa channel. Yan. And ang caddy ni Dex. Sabi yung pangalan mo.
Len po.
Len. Okay, yan. Hole number 2. We are currently 1 up. Tapos for Alvin and Dexter, they currently, ayan, they're 1 down pero they get a pop. So may plus sila dito na 1 stroke. UG daw siya dati. UG ka talaga dati?
Sa hapon lang, pag walang UG. Ano ba naman yun?
Comment kayo kung naniniwala kayo dun. Ganda. Sige pa, draw pa. Draw some more. Walang playable yan. Makapunta yung pabig eh. Delikado.
Four! Alright!
Ito pala feeling na may UG. Ano name mo? Chris Ann. Si Chris Ann. Hindi ka ba mangangawit sa ginagawa? Ala, naiwanan na kita. Chris Ann, naiwanan.
Hakbang mo talaga na.
Ito pala feeling na may UG. Oh, game, habol ka. Arawan na ako yun. Pinahirapan. Tapos yung isa naman, what's your name?
Nicely po.
Ano no?
Nicely.
Nicely? Oh, very unique naman yung name.
Nicely.
Nicely done ang iyong pag-UG. Ayan. Nahiya siya. Ba't ka nahiya? Wala, naiinitan na ako. Akala mo ako yung kumuha ng UG. Ano? Okay. Oh, nangangawit ka na ba? Hindi pa. Para lang makita nila kung gano'n yung height namin, difference. Ayan, hahanap lang kami ng bola. Louie went to the right, I went to the left. So titingnan natin. Pero I think we might have to take Louie's drive. Yun meron. May kanan. Pabila ka na ng 4, no? Wala naman tao. Safe ba? Parang safe naman. Okay. There's still 220 yards to the flag. Okay, Alvin went to the right. Dexter's safe lang yata before the water. So we are just playing safe also. Need to take our medicine. Lakas. Yun! Wow!
Nice shot.
Nice shot!
Patong mo.
Patong, go!
Up yan.
Grabe naman yung padrone. Oh, sige, pwede ko rin subukan yung ganun. Magmamagaling din ako. Nice shot, brother. Galing na. Yung pala yung
Uy. Nice shot.
Nice shot. Buti lang hindi nalaglag. Ganda ng patira ni Louie ng left to right. So in golf terms, that's a cut. So ngayon ang tawag ko na kay Louie, Felix Pakat.
Sino shorts ko? Ingit ka ba, Wen?
Sila yata nito. Mali ka ng hugot.
Tapos sa back 9.
Hindi, ano din?
Uy, lusot.
Hole 6.
Wow, uy, bunker. Hindi, apat lang sa front, 4 sa back. Okay, so clarification. For the holes na merong pop si Alvin at saka si Dexter, it's hole 2, so this hole, 3, so next hole, tapos 6 and 9. Sa back 9, they get a pop sa 11, sa 14, sa 17 and 18. Okay. We're taking
their
Felix
hose and their dough.
their lunch money.
Their hose.
Because we're taking Felix Bakat's second shot. Ganda nung cut. Kita mo yung bola niya. alam mo na hindi mo kukunin, di ba? Alam mo nang butas ang hinahanap.
Tingnan mo yung marker niya.
Ito na may pang-identify niya ng bola.
May mga kumukuha ng bola yun. Actually, totoo. Pag kinuha niya, at least alam niya na ano, hindi akin to ah.
Hindi akin ito masyado itong mahaba.
Okay, we are left with 26 yards to the flag. Ano to, Wena? Left to right? Okay, left to right. Nip, nip.
Ayaw ko.
Ay!
Sa French nag-carry. Saka yung bounce.
Dexter and Alvin's third shot. Ganda yan. Wow.
Bite, bebe.
Babait yan.
Bebe. Bite.
Wow. Nice shot, Dex. Nako, plus, may plus pa kayo dito. Ganda ng tirong yun ah. Nako na bola. We are taking my third shot. Right to left uphill. Sayang, landed short. Maliit sa kanan. Mga kalahating grip, Wena. Left to right yan. Parang po, nga no, left to right nga. Pero maliit lang ano.
Kung ipapat mo to, hati-hati lang. Pangat na sipa.
We are in for bogey.
Nice shot.
Bogey. To win the hole kayo dito. To go all square pala tong putt na to. This is for bogey. We are also in for bogey. Tama. They have to make this putt. Nakakuha. Uy! Oh, binati na. Nauna. Okay. Naglakad na eh. Okay. We are still one up. One up pa rin kami. Sayang yun. Double sila pero they get a plus. So, bogey. Hole number 3. It's playing 186 yards. We are currently, Louie and I are currently one up pa rin. Okay. Ano pa paluin natin?
Double sila din siya.
Okay, double.
Dito sa 8.
Kaya nga, ano tingin mo? Baka pwede 7? Matalbog naman. Ha? Where'd you go? Kanan?
Correct.
Parang short?
Kikry.
Bunker yata. Bunker, no?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Birthday
you.
mo pala yung anak ni Wena.
Si Jolan.
So, mabait din yun.
Tumadate ko.
May... Go. Okay lang yan, safe yan. Hindi, safe yan. Kaliwa ng bunker. Merong plus si Dex at saka si Alvin dito. They get a pop in this hole. Okay, si Dexter and Alvin, they went left of the green. We are taking Felix's tee shot. 20 yards to the flag. Right to left, no? Left to right yan? Left to right. Maganda yan. Maganda yan! Pasok! Ay, sayang! What a shot by Felix. Felix Pakat. Eh, kaso, dikit din sila eh. Ganda nun sa'yo. Okay, Alvin and Dexter, they have this spot to win the hole. Para par kami. Par to make birdie sila. Uy. That's good, brother. The pressure is on Dexter. Uy! Okay, we are still alive. So, up pa rin kami, 1. Babait nyo ah. Thank you.
Siyempre,
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.
nice beach bro. Ganda nun.
Hole number 4. We are still 1 up. 324 yards. Dog leg left. Baba.
Okay lang, ganda nun.
Okay lang.
Pwede na ako magkambol.
Okay lang, clear yan. Ganda. Baka kukulangin ka sa fairway. Ayun. Mas maganda. Okay, okay. Para sa'yo. Balik, balik, balik. Safe yan? Okay lang. So may 150 mark sa left. Ganda! Clutch nga! Clutch! Clutch jeans. Ito, bro, sa right.
Ay, thank you, thank you.
Nice shot, Alvin. Anong yardage nyo? 105. Yan o, sakto yan. Sakto yan, maganda yan. Ganda, yan o.
Gulong-gulong ka. Thank you, Lord.
Oo, di ba o?
Baba pa.
Nice shot.
Salamat.
Nice. Ah, wala, masyado mataas. Mataas. Okay, landed short. Right side of the bunker. Ganda ng tira ni Alvin, no? Carried short, tapos landed short, tapos bounced, tapos that was really the play. Landed short, tapos make it trickle down to the green. Okay, we're taking we're taking Louis' tee shot. We are left with 60 yards. Maganda rin yan. Maganda yan. Bite. Settle. Grabe naman clutch yan, Louis! Oh, what a beautiful shot by Louis. What? Nice shot, Felix.
Oh, yes, sir.
Both teams for birdie, pero they get a pop. Alvin for birdie. Birdie to make eagle to. Uy! That's good, brother. Must make kami. Wala palang plus sila dito. So straight up pala kami. Buti pinaalala ni Sai. So this is for the birdie. Ah, first spot mo pala, no? Hindi pa. Oo nga. Hindi kita papapatid. For birdie. Ah, mahina.
Go in, go in.
Mahina eh. Mahina. Wala nang pupuntahan. Okay. This spot to win the hole pala to.
Don't worry. Yes.
Yes.
We are currently 2 up ulit. We are back to 2 up. Ah, we're now 2 up pala. Tapos currently we're back to 1 under sa score. Hole number 5 is playing 115 yards. Hitting a, ano tingin mo? 50 degree wedge. May slight pull.
Ang hole in one.
Okay, Alvin and Dexter just landed outside of the green to go up and down for a par. Kami, we are putting for birdie. Naku. Clutch.
Ganda naman nun.
Galing. Good shot, good shot. Okay. We have this birdie putt to go 3 up. Left to right. Left edge.
Hindi sir, malaki.
Malaki pa. Ah, pwede rin pa natin gawin ano. Meron kaming mercy stroke. Pag nagti-3 up kami minsan sa 2-man scramble namin, may mulligan yung team. Pero 1 mulligan lang. Habang 3 up pa. Pero kung bumalik na sa 2, 1 per layer lang mamimili lang yung player. Pag mag 3 up, di pa naman 3 up. Ay, nakuha.
Ay, hindi mo! Shoot!
Oh, mas... Okay. Alvin and Dexter for par to half the hole. Uy. Oh, okay. They missed it. Dexter mixed it also. Hindi, okay lang. Papasuyo ko sana. 3 wood na lang eh. Pero okay na. Okay, 3 up. Meron kaming bibigay na mercy mulligan sa kanila. So they are now 3 down. They get a mulligan pero as a team. They decide na lang whoever gets it. So hole number 6, they get a pop. May plus sila dito. So dog leg left 343 yards. Draw. Hindi nagta-turn, kulang. Konti lang yung turn.
Bro.
Bumalik, fairway. Open pa rin eh. Ayun, clutch
Yan!
na naman si Dexter.
Yan!
Sige pa, turn pa.
Sige, pasok!
Turn pa.
Pasok! Daling mo, kiklip!
Pero pabulong eh. Pabulong yung request niya.
Dapat lakasan mo. Sige,
Oo,
sige.
baka-
Okay
baka-
yan. Sanay ka
Ba't ka nahihiyang sigaw? Isigaw mo, Chris Ann. Good shot, Dex. Dexter and Alvin's second shot. Mga around 110 yards to the flag. Patong. Taking my tee shot. We are 57 yards to the flag. Left to right to, diba? Left to right. I will try to nip again 50 yards. Maganda yan, Louie. Maganda, okay lang. Over lang, konti. Ay, ang lakas pala. Mukha lang dikit. Pero naman, pamalo.
Bite.
Both teams are putting for birdie. Pero sila Alvin, they get a pop here. May plus sila. So this is for birdie to make eagle. Mahina. Mahina yan. Hindi mukhang mabilis dito eh. Mukhang mabilis dito pero mabagal to eh. Birdie. For birdie, mahina ulit. Okay. Mahina din.
Go.
Okay, in for par. Ay, hindi bumali. Nice putt. Okay, they made the putt. They won that hole. Birdie because of the plus. So we are now 2 up. Wala na yung mulligan nila. Okay, hole number 7. 327 yards, dogleg right. Strategy namin ni Louie, I will go first, play safe. Tapos he will go for it. Ay, shot. Safe lang.
Oh, tiyang na.
Parang ano yan, harap na ng green. Huwag ka lang sumabit. Ay, tumunog. Ganda! Huwag ka lang sasabit.
Okay yun.
Parang sasabit. Ang lakas pumalo. Ayun tayo. Yan ang maganda.
Dex!
Maganda yan.
Naman yun.
Pero baka wag lang pumunta sa kabilang butas. Ayun, sakto. Perfect. Shot, Dex. Grabe yun, brother. Clutch siya. What a shot by Louie. We are left with 105 yards taking his drive. Kay Dexter din and kay Alvin. Siguro sila 100 yards na lang. Ano ko na bola? Gulong nga, brother. Sakto. Maganda yan. Baka sobra pa eh. Na ilalim. Tigas mo ano. Oops. 100 pala for Dexter and Alvin. Patong na si Alvin. Naku, ganda.
Babait pa.
Maganda yan. Ayun, short lang. We are taking Louie shot. Both super tigas nung fairway. Hirap talaga. No green to work with. Slight flop or nip. Mga around 10 yards to the flag. Kanan lang. Good idea.
Good idea.
May ikot
Not
yung bola.
necessary. Yung unnecessary pa.
The unnecessary thing. Hindi, parang kailangan talaga eh. Dito mo papabagsakin eh. Ay, nabola naman.
Nagilala din kasi yung...
Oh, tama na.
Ganun din oh.
Layo pa.
Okay. Alvin and Dexter for birdie and to win the hole. Actually, pwede na natin i-concede to eh. Tingnan natin. Pag na-shoot na niya. Dapat pag 3-putt sila to ano eh. To lose the hole. Naku, may... Ganun din. Ay, we need this putt to force them to miss that putt. Okay, good putt. Okay. Good putt. Okay. Good putt. Okay. One down. One down na lang.
Hindi arabi kayo ng mercy.
Yeah, sakto lang. Okay, almost na. Match na. We are currently 1 up. Ano yardage mo, Louie? 150 yards. Okay, slightly against the wind. Might hit a 9 iron. Ay! Oh, pull na pull.
Nice shot.
Adik na rin si Tix. Madalas na nga mag-aya.
Madalas na yung lumaro.
Tayo rin nagkita na. Ganda, kanan lang. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Shoot the shoot. Dex and Alvin are on the bunker. Oh wow. Good out. Good out by Dexter. Alvin and Dexter for par. Kami, we are putting for birdie. Ganda, lakas lang. Malakas. Nice birdie, brother. Literal na nice birdie. Na yung bola mo birdie, yung putt mo birdie. Okay, nahamin egg. Back to 2 up. Ayan, may plus kayo dito sa hole number 9.
Ang 65, ang break 65, we have to play
8 under. Ay, sorry. Sa atin pala 6 under.
6 under.
Ako kasi par 70 dito eh. Oo.
Or 7.
Uy, wala din. Okay, that's good. Okay, left to right tayo.
Left inside lang, sir. Mabilis ang
Okay na
green.
yun.
Hindi mo na gusto.
Parang kumaliwa.
Yun ang birdie.
Okay, hole number 9. We are now back to 2 up. 511 yards. May plus si Dexter at saka si Alvin dito sa hole na to.
Yes.
Akala ko
Okay na.
swag yung tutugtog. Yun.
Uy, draw. Wow.
Parang feeling mo na bali.
Ano? Nato ko. Yes. Ang ganda talaga. Wow.
Slightly in trouble si Alvin at saka si Dexter. I think they might have to punch out, but at least they found the golf ball. Kami, we're taking my tee shot. Si Louie is going for it with his driver, going DOD. Ako, 3 wood.
Ay, shit.
Tawid mo lang. Ba, kaya yan, safe yan.
Wala, patay. Change.
Taking my terrible second shot, pulled it, buti tumama sa puno. Left with 128 yards. Punching out lang with an 8 iron.
Over yan ang bunker. Very good. Nice shot.
Bro.
Yun! Buti nag-stop. Okay. Alvin and Dexter's playing 4. Tumira na si Alvin. I think short si Alvin. Ito. So now it's Dexter's attempt. 4th shot. Salamat. Saan? Ah, yun bunker. I went to the bunker.
Dun tayo.
We are taking Louis' 3rd shot. Slightly short lang. Left to right to, di ba? Sa may guhit. Okay. Medyo mabagal pa akyat. Yes. Ay, na-open. Na-open.
Uy!
Pasok na! Ay!
Konting kaliwan.
Go.
Okay, the spot is for bogey. Bogey to make par. To stay 2 out, 2 under. Ay, 2 down. Ay. Ay! Hey, nice shot stickers. Okay na, nice shot sticker mo. Nice shot. Nice shot ka naman dyan.
Nice shot.
Ito, bibigyan natin si Idol. Idol, oh. Sticker. Nice shot. Ito ang aking idol. Pag kailangan nyo ng coach, hanapin nyo lang. Kuha ko, dagdagan mo na, Idol.
Ikabit ko to sa motor ko.
Sige, kuha ka, marami. Kung gusto mo.
Sige, welcome.
Oh, syempre, sticker lang. Oh. Sipag ng UG mo. Kita ko, nung ako pinapayungan, nakaganoon eh. Banat na banat yung kilikili.
Last thing. Thank you, boss.
Yan,
Thank you.
so welcome.
Okay, ano ko to yung ano to ha? Yung
Dagdagan mo na. Gusto subscribe ka.
subscribe ko tong boss na to. Ano to lagi sa ano?
Gawin mo ano, pang sapal. Salamat, Idol. Okay. Start of the back 9. Hole number 10. Playing 150 yards. We are currently 3 up. Clutch naman talaga si Dex.
Go.
Clutch naman. Ay, bunker. Naku, Towi. Gabi. Naku, tama na. Nice shot, Louis. Pabite yan. Bite! Nice shot, brother. Okay. Vin and Dex. Second shot. They're taking Dex's tee shot. Landed on the bunker. Stop. Tama na. Mobra. For birdie. Ay, bola din. Please lumabas. Bakit ako? Gwapong-gwapo ako sa sarili ko. Ganda at Alvin. Tsaka minsan. Hole number 11, playing 295 yards. I think I'll just lay up and play smart. Ganda, Alvin! Ayan na. Ganda, hindi abot yan. Ay!
Diyan lang sa sarili.
Parang kanan ng bunker, ha? Ganda rin. Ay, Slightly open lang. Draw! Okay, lusot. Okay yan. Ayos, gitnang-gitna. Kumakanta yung utak bago pumalo. Okay, nice tee shot by Louis. Taking his... we are still left with 97 yards to the flag. I am hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Sila Alvin, I think they went to the right. We are currently 4 over, pero they get a pop dito sa hole na to. Ganda, Louis. Kick right, please. Over.
Ang ganda. Mabait yan. Mabait talaga. Nice shot.
Magkadikit na Okay, Alvin and Dexter second shot. They are around 70 yards.
Nice shot.
Maganda yan, Alvin.
Right to side.
Maganda yan, Alves.
Bite,
Ay,
bite.
bite. A little.
Nice shot.
Good shot. Nice. Kinikerry na si Rickson yung Cleveland.
RTX.
Mas
Yun.
maganda
Mas
yan.
maganda yata
Nice
yan.
Maganda
shot.
yan.
Boom, bite.
Wow! Okay.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Baka sa inyo tong butas na to. Parang birdie to make eagle yan. Nice shot. What a shot by Dexter. Okay. We're giving that to them. So they're now currently 3 down na lang. Pero we will... Alright, that was a great approach by Dexter to go 3 down. Sayang yung putt namin to go 3 under naman for our side quest of break 65. So hole number 12, it's playing 155 yards. Currently it's downwind. Open. For right!
Go!
Patong yan.
Shoot. With the wind. Yes, sir.
Uy, ganda pa ng sipa!
Yes, sir. Nice shot.
Bumper.
Pucha, sa
Ganda.
talaga, oh. Nice shot.
Okay, both teams spotting for birdie. Sige, kita ko na. Okay, left, right. Regular yan?
Regular firm.
Regular firm. Lakas lang. Pero maganda na ng putt mo, Alves.
Ay, hindi po
Baliktad.
Oh, nice birdie.
Shout out ka.
Must make.
Shout out. So babati mo.
Okay, what a clutch putt by Dex that they made birdie. So we are currently now 2 up na lang. Naku, pull. Okay lang yan. Playable.
Okay lang. Open naman yun sa akin eh.
For right! For right! Too much lang. Pareho. Draw. Naku, hindi naman nag-draw. Okay. Hindi nag-draw. Okay, we need to take our medicine. Aim here. Hopefully it draws a little when I punch it. Make it a 3-shot hole. Okay lang ba? Pumasok sa kaliwa. Okay, Okay, Alvin and Dexter's third shot. Kami, naghahanap pa kami. It's either akin or kay Louie, but we're still looking for Louie's tee shot. Ano? Might be taking my tee shot, second shot. Need to go over these trees. Hopefully it's 105 yards pero down. Hindi pala downhill to, uphill pala. Pero pwede na yata itong 60. We'll see. Ito. Ano nangyari?
Ganda.
Mataas ba?
Yun, patong. Ay, hindi sure.
Akala ko parang nabola. Papadraw. Grabe naman yung drone na yun. Ay, sobra. 4. Sobra lang. Grabe yun ah. Galing ah. Napapadraw mo pala talaga.
Nag-curve siya.
Oo, nag-curve. Pero doon ka nag-land sa mga caddy. Pero dito ka nagsimula sa ano eh. Sa may bridge. Galing ah. Ay, shot brother. And Dexter, I think they're putting for birdie. Okay, short. Alves, putting birdie kayo dyan, di ba? Okay, putting sila birdie. Kami chipping for birdie. Okay na. For birdie. Ay, tumatalon. Okay, they're in for par. So, we need to go up and down for our par as well. Right. Okay, at least par na rin. Mahina lang. Okay. That was a good up and down. We have the hole. So we are still currently two up. So hole 14, merong pop si Dexter at saka si Alvin. So meron silang one stroke dito. Ganda, Alvin. Beauty.
Relax. Okay lang, relax.
Hindi nag-draw. Hindi nag-draw eh.
Okay lang.
I don't know what's happening with my drives. I keep pulling it. So, pipiliin namin yung akin. So, just lay up here. Wait, ano to? 5, no?
Opo.
Ay, too much.
Kaya pa itong
Too much. 4. Right. Okay, we need to take our medicine. Uy! Safe ba? Para sa tubig eh. Para nag-carry sa tubig eh. Oo. Needed to take a drop. Mali kami, akala namin safe yung kay Louie. Okay yan, go! Ay, mabait. Nakagat. Bueno. Okay, they are putting for par. That's good. Okay, bogey. Oh no! Kailangan naming umayos ni Louie. We are now only one up na lang. We bogeyed that last hole. Tapos may plus kasi sila Dex at saka si Alvin. Tapos may plus sila 17, 18. Kailangan natin makakuha ng isang butas dito or yung sa 16. Kasi meron silang plus sa 17, 18 eh. Stop turning. Okay, maganda yan brother. Good shot. Init na init ka. Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yung 3-shot hole.
Sige, 3-shot hole to.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Dexter and Alvin, they're taking Dexter's tee shot. They are still around 260, 270 to the flag. Nakakanan. Bumalik.
Okay lang.
Sa cart path. What a tee shot by my partner. We need one or two up dapat for the last 2 holes kasi may plus sila 17, 18. Ano yardage nyo?
190. 200 dapat pataas.
200? Sabagay. Okay lang, safe mo lang. Okay, at least safe. They are left with mga 170. Naku, ang ganda. Ang ganda, Dex.
Hangin! Asin hangin!
Walang hangin.
Oh.
Around the green. Sa kanan lang. Good shot, Dex. Okay, 34 yards. We're taking my second shot. This is to go up and down for a birdie. Left to right to win, no? Konting left to right, pero mabilis. Loob ng dahon. Okay. Okay. Nice shot, brother. Okay lang. We have a chance. Ay, ganun din. Sorry. Okay, this is for birdie for Alvin and Dex. Kami also we're putting for birdie. Medyo sama ng tira ko. Hindi pala medyo masama talaga. Huwag lang madikit ni Dexter to. Yun, short. Okay. We have a chance, brother. Okay, we have this for birdie, 7 paces, uphill. Gano'ng kalaki ulit? Sorry, Weng. Halos sa may putol ulit. +1, ano? Okay. Tama yung linya. Pasok! Nice! Okay! Woo! 2 up! Nice one, brother! Nice one, birdie boy! Oh, yes! Tapos sabi mo, what did I do?
Hindi nga dumaan eh.
Nice shot, brother. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nababaliw na tong partner ka. Hole 16. Currently we are 2 up. It's playing 110 yards. We are... Ganda, Louie! Maganda! Dikit mo na! Buka!
Pinag-backspin.
Chicken sana! Shot, Louie! Naku, yun na. Napresyo. Alvin and Dexter to go up and down for a par. Kaso we are putting for birdie. So they need to make this or kailangan close. Oops. Para to keep the match going. Excuse me, ba't sa butas? Sa jabong na lang.
Hindi ka daw kasya sa...
Ay, naka-short. Okay. Okay. Alvin and Dex for par. The Chinese movies na kontrabida. That's good.
Simuwanan na lang siya. Si Maui.
Si Maui. Maui Taylor. Okay na yan, Sai? Naku, maganda.
Inside.
Maganda! Muntik pa kami doon. Okay, we have 2 putts to win the match. Hindi tinawala to. Joke lang. Oo nga pala, sayang for birdie pala tayo dun. Okay lang. Okay. Good match, brother. Good match, okay. 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 Good round, brother.
Good round, good round.
Dex, good round.
Good round. Thank you.
Good round, ate.
Ay, hapo.
Good round, nicely. Bakit? Good round. Ito, isa pa, isa pa.
Sa rock.
Chris Ann. Good round. Matago kayo.
Tingnan ko siya.
Good, good round, ate.
Ginawa ko lang.
Happy birthday.
Ni Louie.
Okay, done with the 7. With the win to alam ko. Done with the match. So, number 17.
Bola natin.
Paying 180.
Hindi yun yung... Ay, sa kaliwa.
Ay.
Lakas na bomba. Ikaw rin malakas ang dito. Nice spot. Ano na ba tayo ngayon? Total 2 under yata. Ang taas pa rin eh. Eh wait, ano ba yung binamit mo pala? Before ko sabihin mataas. Maliit na takat.
Lalim.
Too much. Tama na. Kick right.
Ito ma-upload yan sir.
2 buwan pa eh.
Dalawang buwan pa.
Tagal pa. Hintayin mo yan. Tago siya ng tago. Pasok! Nice spot, Alvin. Par. Bird. Par, di ba? Ganda eh.
Kanina pa yun.
Oo eh, butin lang. Oo, meron sa hapon. Good round. Good round, brother. Good round, Dex.
Thanks.
Good round. Yes, nanalo rin.
Good round.
Good round. Ito na, kainan, the winner. Thank you, Alvin.
Video pala yun.
Nice shot.